Tomorrow, I'll be hosting a free webinar on how to discover your superpower in 90 minutes or less so you can elevate your life. I won't be offering any products or services for sale. This is just for your growth. This webinar is for you if you're searching for something more, if you're open to personal and professional development and feel like something's missing, or you know there's something more in life and you just want to get to the more. This isn't for you, however, if you're one of those people that knows everything but never applies it, or you're looking for a 2-minute solution for a lifetime of negative programming. I know when I first went through this exercise, I quickly realized that I had been playing small and I hadn't been sharing my unique ability. My superpower is that I love to help others identify obstacles in their life and create solutions so they can blow past them. In tomorrow's webinar, you're going to learn 3 things. The first one is you're going to discover your superpower or your core competency. And this is important, so once you recognize that, you could start to do those type of activities. 2, you're going to learn to reprioritize your life so that you're going to support these core competencies and stop trying to focus on your weakness. And 3, you're going to learn how to take advantage of this information to make your life even better. Look, I know we're all going through some super crazy stuff with this pandemic, but why not take a break from that hysteria and do something that's going to help you grow and become even better when this is all over with? Trust me, the news, Facebook, and Netflix will all be there when the webinar is over with. You can do this. Go ahead, find the link on this page, register your name and email, and I'll send you the information for the webinar as well as some questions for you to consider beforehand. You're going to be expected to participate even if you don't share your results. Look, if you want to grow, you have to do things differently in your life than you currently are. I look forward to seeing you in the webinar. And don't forget, click that link.